Okay, so I'm at the farm. It's very windy. Got Thor. Wise guy came right up. I already groomed him a little. I'm gonna get some video of the horses for you so you can relax. The Zoom link is not, the replay is not up yet because I had to leave as soon as I could to get here. So the replay wasn't available. So I'll post that after we get home. I love you guys though. The Zoom was great. Thank you for everybody. If you were on the Zoom, comment down below. It was great. I love you guys. Bye. There's our boys. There's my boy, my hubby. And here's my other boy. My three boys. My three boys. No. Don't eat the dog's grain. Okay, hard to video with a puppy. Good sit, Thor. Good shit. Say hello. Everybody loves you. Okay, I'm going to attempt to hold the puppy. Thor. Good sit, Thor. Good sit. Good sit. You're the best boy. Who's the best boy? You're the best boy. Good sit. Stay. 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 Well, hello. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Hi.